Hello viewers, I welcome you here. In this video I am going to tell you how to create a transparent text effect. At the end of this video you will be able to create this transparent text effect yourself. First of all, you need to open a picture. I already have opened it, so I don't need to open another picture. Go to select all, or you can do it with the shortcut from the keyboard. Press Ctrl A. Edit, copy, file, new, set the size here. Okay, I won't paste it, I will simply drag this and drop this here. Set this, I will merge these layers, merge down, I will break the layer. Okay, now select horizontal text tool and try the text here. Select move tool and set this wherever you want. Select the layer of text from here, soft light. Press Ctrl from the keyboard and select the text layer. Select inverse, or you can do it with the shortcut Ctrl Shift I. Go here, solid color, select white color from here. Okay, set the opacity yourself. Do it as you like. You can also change the picture. Only open the picture. Copy it and paste it here. Then set the picture. Bring this layer here, and now it is done. You can bring any picture and you can set this at once.